Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be showing you how to find stocks before everyone else. So, all you need to do is go on. First of all, I will be showing you how to find stocks before they skyrocket, explode. I don't know how you want to call it, before they run up to the upside, before everyone else. Okay, so you want to be that black sheep. First of all, what are you like? I will be using the Finvest screener, okay? Like beautiful, beautiful ass first screener. You can also pay for it. You will get a lot of kind of benefits. So what will you need to do is go on famous.com and then go on screener. And guys, just keep in mind, like throughout everything that I go on this video, I will be showing you step by step. So like do not even like care about it, because I will be explaining what I'm feeling and all other good stuff. So the first thing that you can also go here and all, but I will be kind of showing you for descriptive, the fundamental, and the technicals throughout the way. So the first thing that we're going to be feeling will be the market cap, the market capitalization. What does that mean? Basically, as like you can basically, if you don't know, if you go on the website, and if you don't know like what something means, you can basically just go with the mouse over the thing. For example, the market cap, and you will see market capitalization equals the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. As simple as that. Equals the total dollar market value of all of the company's outstanding shares. So what do we want to fill right here? In this case, in the market capitalization, we're going to be filling the plus small. What does that mean? We want a company with a market capitalization of over 300 million. Some people may go over 2 billion, but if you go over 2 billion, as you see, there are now, I mean, there are 2 million stocks, but we want stocks that are over 300 million. We will see quite a lot. Okay. The funny thing is, if you go plus large, you will just see like 900 or so. So yeah, let's just like, if you go mega, you will only see 466. So yeah, like pretty big ass thing. So let's just go with plus small over 300 million. I always go with that if I want to find stock before everyone else. We don't want stocks that have a big market cap, okay, great market cap or market value. So what we want to do in the second thing is we're going to be skipping the fundamental side of things. With the fundamentals, like here, like in this screener, I will not be showing you anything on the fundamental side of things. We don't need that, but personally, what I want to do is sales growth quarter over quarter and so. But like we're not going to be filling anything with the in the fundamentals window. And the next thing that we're going to be filling will be the technicals. So here we're going to be filling four things. So stay with me. Uh, actually, no. Yeah, in the descriptive here, we're also going to be filling the industry. We want only stocks. I always go with only stocks, right? Then here, yeah, just like that. I guess that's like all in the descriptive, but you can like personally go all right here on all and kind of fill the things out. The next thing that I'm going to be filling will be the relative volume. Okay, you cannot see that right here because basically it is in descriptive, but relative volume. What do we want to fill in the relative volume, and what does that mean? Sometimes you can find it as R vol or so. Basically, it's a ratio, but I will just go over it like with the mouse, and you will see relative volume. It's a ratio between the current volume and 3 month average intraday adjusted. Basically, like a ratio between the current volume and 3 months average volume. So if it is over one, absolutely all like beautiful with that. It is all below one, like it does not perform well with the volatility with the so yeah. And what we want to feel right here, I always go with 1 point over 1.1, okay, over 1.5, because at that like period we want the relative volume to be big. So yeah, we always go with 1.5, and as you see right now, we read with 494 stocks at the moment, and that's how we close on Monday. So the next thing that I'm gonna be filling will be the average volume. Okay, average volume. What do we want to fill there? Right here. Average volume basically means the average number of shares traded in a like security per day. What do we want to fill right here will be the over 500 or over 300k. Even like you can go with over 400. Let's just go with over 400. It is always up to you what you want to do with that. But we want a quite liquid stocks. Okay, average volume to be kind of liquid, so we can basically I mean, some people can trade them, some people can get in and out. You feel me? It is always up to you what you want to do with that. Then, what am I going to be feeling will be in the technicals. Of course, it's the SMA, the 200-day SMA. I will be feeling I will want the price to be above the SMA 200, and the 50-day simple moving average to be uh, the price to be above the SMA 50, with the 20-day simple moving average again to be above the price to be above the SMA 20. And we're going to be left with 111 stocks, 111, yeah, 111 stocks that we can choose from. That does not mean every single stock that is on the radar right here is a buy, because as you see, we had a lot of breakouts right here. We had a breakout, also breakout. I mean, it was a gap more so, but yeah, beautiful push to the upside. We have a ARCO, we managed to push to the upside, breakout right here in SN, ALGM here too. We had AUPH. Then we had a breakout at ATC also. Like, this is what I mean. And this is not the first time that I made filter for these kinds of explosive stocks, but a lot of the stocks that I did mention, they managed to blow up. So as you see, this did manage to break. This did manage. Oh my God, this could have been a great play right there too. This did manage to gap up, and right now it's kind of flat. So you can kind of go over the lists. The list goes on, and you can basically find stocks. This could be a great play, but it already did manage to break. If you want to like play this thing, you could be looking for a TP around $7. I mean, around this high, and kind of is like stop watches below here. I mean, if you manage even playing that, I'm not financial advisor or something like that, but that's how the stocks like sometimes move. Okay, the third window. Let's try. Let's see if you can kind of find a stock before it kind of runs up. Everything is an option beautifully. Like a lot of the times, what I try to do is look for a reversals. So, for example, this we had a left shoulder the head and the right shoulder, and we never managed kind of to push to the downside. Yes, it is pushed to the downside, but right now, as you can see, we see a green candles going on. This is a great like kind of a MTTR. I don't know, like you can basically go more in depth and kind of find out about the company before you invest into them. But yeah, I would be liking to see, for example, like this, something like this, like SANA, the Sana like biotechnology. For these kinds of stocks, you feel me? Like as you see, it is low. It has been in a discounting triangle for quite a while. We are really close to breaking the high right here, and the relative volume, the average volume is all good in line with our, you feel me, with our filters. So yeah, that's it with that, and that's about it for today's video. So make sure to go and try it for yourself. You can basically screenshot this is like what I use to find these kinds of stocks. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and consider subscribing, because I do these videos like every single day. So peace out.